So what are the things found in animal products that you can't find in plants? Glad you asked, because I'm going to talk about it today. So the first one is one that's pretty obvious, most people know about it, and that's vitamin B12. For the most part, vitamin B12 is found exclusively in animal products, beef, bison, deer, fish, things like that. There are trace elements in some plants, certain forms of algae contain it, but it's not really bioavailable for us. So the best source of that is going to be animal products. The next thing is heme iron. And so there's two forms of iron. You have heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron is found in animal products, in the meat and the fat, and it is more readily absorbable by humans, where non-heme iron is found in plants and is not as easily absorbed. Things like spinach are high in iron, but we can't absorb it very well, so you would have to eat a whole lot of spinach to get any benefit from it. And for those of you that don't know this, if you eat too much spinach, it can actually make you sick and even kill you. So I would caution against trying to get all your iron from something like that. So the next thing is vitamin D3. Now, vitamin D we get from the sun, obviously, but D3 is found in fatty fish and eggs, and that's the only place you're going to find those. They're readily available, easily absorbed. They help with all sorts of things within the human body, the immune system, things like that. And it's not something you're going to find in plants. DHA is another nutrient that you find exclusively in meat. And DHA is a omega-3 fatty acid that helps with your brain function and is healthy for your heart. Creatine is another one. Creatine plays a crucial role in energy production and is essential for muscle and brain health. Carnosine is another one. It's a peptide that is primarily found in muscle and brain tissue. So these are the nutrients that are found exclusively in meat. Some of them can be found in trace amounts or in large quantities, but not readily absorbed by the human body, such as iron and non-heme iron specifically. So it goes to show you that we really are designed to be carnivores. If we weren't, then we wouldn't require these nutrients. And these aren't just willy-nilly nutrients. These are nutrients that our body requires to function properly, to grow, to repair itself. So you can't stand there and say that we are not designed to eat meat when clearly we are, because our body requires these nutrients. So the next time somebody wants to have an argument with you about how we shouldn't be eating meat, you might want to bring these points up to them and make them think about it. And yeah, there's supplements you can take, but let me tell you, nothing beats getting the real thing. That is the best, most nutritious way of feeding, nourishing, and healing your body. Meat. It's the perfect food for humans. Hope you liked this video. Give me a like, subscribe, and have a great day.